Hello my friends, my name is Ellen and I welcome all y'all back to my Southern kitchen and my cooking channel, Ellen's Homemade Delights. Today, have I got a treat for y'all. We're gonna make a no-bake pie using Kool-Aid. That's right, sugar, a no-bake pie using Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid pie. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make, dreamy, decadent, no oven required. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's gonna love and enjoy this, going back for seconds. And this is the ultimate summer treat. Great to serve for your barbecues, picnics, family reunions, and also the 4th of July coming up. This would be perfect. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more no-bake desserts, check out my no-bake desserts recipes playlist and my previous video, old-fashioned southern tea cakes. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your graham cracker crust, your cream cheese, and your Kool-Aid sugar, because we're about to make some no-bake Kool-Aid pie magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make our graham cracker crust. In my large bowl, I have 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. And I just crush up some graham crackers into their fine crumbs, or you can just buy store-bought graham cracker crumbs. And if you want, you can purchase a store-bought graham cracker crust. And into our graham cracker crumbs, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of white sugar. That'll make it sweet. And 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. And give this a quick stir until everything is well combined. You want the consistency of wet sand. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up my graham cracker crumbs, and this is what it looks like. That looks great. Now we're ready to pour it into our pie plate. We're going to pour it in the 9-inch pie plate, and I greased it with butter, or you can spray it with cooking spray, so that way our pie won't stick. Alright, now I'm going to flatten it. And using my measuring cup, we're just going to flatten the sides. Alrighty, now we're ready to place our crust in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. Going to let it bake for about 8 minutes. Alright my friends, I have taken my graham cracker crust out of the oven. And it smells amazing. And it's nice and golden brown around the edges. So now I'm going to let it cool completely. And while it's cooling, let's go ahead and make our whipped cream. In my medium chilled bowl, we're going to add in 2 cups of cold heavy whipping cream. And 2.5 heaping tablespoons of powdered sugar. And if you don't like your whipped cream too sweet, you can add less powdered sugar. And we're going to whip this until it reaches stiff white peaks. And my beaters is cold also. Alrighty my friends, I'm through whipping up my whipped cream. And this is what it looks like. Nice stiff white peaks, fluffy white clouds. That looks great. Now we're going to set this aside while we make up our filling. In my large bowl, I have a 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese that I let come to room temperature. And we're going to cream this on medium speed until it's fluffy. Alright my friends, to our cream cheese, we're going to add in a 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. One of my favorites. And now we're going to add in the star of the show, our Kool-Aid. We're going to add in a 123-ounce package. I'm using the pink lemonade, one of my favorites, since my childhood, or you can use any flavor Kool-Aid. I also like lemon lime Kool-Aid. What's your favorite Kool-Aid, my friends? Let me know down below in the comment section. And to give it an extra lemon flavor, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure lemon extract. And we're going to mix all these ingredients together until they're well blended. And this is optional. I'm going to add in a few drops of pink food coloring. Make it a little extra pinker. And we're going to blend this in. All right, my friends, one more thing we got to add to it. Our fresh whipped cream. And fold this in. And that's it, my friends. Our Kool-Aid filling is complete. How simple and easy was that? Can smell the lemon extract and the pink lemonade Kool-Aid. Oh, I just love Kool-Aid. And also, if you use orange flavor or strawberry flavor, you can add in a teaspoon of orange extract or strawberry extract. Alright, as soon as I get through folding in my whipped cream, I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through folding in the whipped cream. Look at this beautiful pink filling. Nice and creamy. Now we're ready to pour it into our cooled graham cracker crust. So now I'm going to spread it evenly all over, like so. Alrighty, so now we're going to place our Kool-Aid pie in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill overnight until it's firm. And I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, my friends, it's the next day and our pie is nice and firm. See how that's set up nicely? There's a couple more things we got to add to it. Some fresh whipped cream. Right in the center. And since this is a pink lemonade pie, I'm going to put a lemon slice right on top. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. No baked Kool-Aid pie. Doesn't that look good? Smells good. Alright, so now I'm about to cut me up a slice and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a slice and I garnish it with some whipped cream and a lemon slice. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Creamy and refreshing. Oh, I can taste the lemon. Bursting with Kool-Aid goodness. This is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. The crust is perfectly cooked. Yum-o. Kool-Aid pie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy 4th of July.